Welcome back to Smash Burger Smash Pass, day number 85. And today, we are doing a barbecue bacon and cheddar with double cheddar. It's got the melted aged cheddar and the regular cheddar on it. And it's a crispy chicken. I wanted to keep it simple for today since we're almost done with this. And I've been trying to double up on some of these cheese. Because they're delicioso. Bam! Look at this. These chicken sandwiches, dude, are like the best chicken sandwiches you can get in fast food. I swear. The only chicken sandwiches I would get other than this is the Burger King spicy crispy chicken. But if I had to choose between this or Burger King, this would win every time. Smash Burger's chicken sandwiches are just incredible. As you can see, melted aged cheddar and delicious regular cheddar. Look at that. Yum yum. Looks so good. Barbecue sauce. The melted aged cheddar on that's really good. Super delicious. Oh yeah. I actually recommend that more than the regular cheddar. Get a really nice flavor to it. Oh yeah, that's day number 85. 15 days left. I'm behind on uploading some of these videos, so I might start doing like 2 per day or whatever, just to get them up there. But Valentine's Day is in a few days, and then I'm taking a break from Smash Burger. I need to start eating healthy, dude. I need vegetables and exercise. Jesus Christ. But hell yeah, thanks for hanging out. Like, comment, subscribe. Give us the old follow, notification bell, blah, 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 blah. Twitch, Twitter. I'm gonna hit some video games, and I'll catch you tomorrow for day 86. Deuces.